Hi students, exercise 4.1, the first question, first subdivision. A person went to a restaurant. A person, single person went to a restaurant, okay, for dinner. In the menu card, the person saw 10 Indian and 7 Chinese food, okay. Solution here, a person saw two types of food, okay. First one is Indian food, saw Indian food, okay. Then the next one is Chinese food. In how many ways the person can select either means using some rule, okay, an Indian or a Chinese food. The total number of Indian food is 10, okay. Total number of Chinese food is 7. A person can select either means Indian food or Chinese food, okay, in the total number of ways. Then the total number of ways, the total number of ways can select either food Indian or Chinese, which is equal to, a person can select Indian food is 10 ways, okay, 10 ways. A person can be selected in Chinese food is 7 ways. Either means using some rules. Therefore, m equal to 10, n equal to 7, which is equal to 10 plus 7 ways. Okay, 10 plus 7 ways. That is totally 17 ways. Okay, 17 ways. Then the third subdivision, how many 2-digit numbers? Okay, 2-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetitions. Without repetitions means the digits using only once, okay, allowed only once. Solution here, find 2-digit means using 2 boxes, okay, using 2 boxes. This is only one task. Then the 2 procedures. Procedure 1 is first place, okay, first place, that is unit place. Then the procedure 2 is 10th place, 10th place, okay. Here given the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The unit place, one's place or unit place, okay, unit place. In the first place can be occur in the numbers 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, okay. Then the total number of possible is 5 ways, isn't it? 5 ways. 5 is not represented in the digits. 5 is number of ways allowed in unit place, okay. Here next go to the process, procedure 2, that is 10th places. Without repetitions means the digits allowed in only once, okay. Suppose here the unit place used in digits 1, consider used in the digit 1, okay. Here only the possible is 2, 3, 4, 5, because the number 1 is not allowed into the 10th place, because the 1 is used in the unit place. So the 10th place allowed in the remaining 4 digits, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the numbers placed in possible ways is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ways, isn't it? The total number of 2 digits without repetition, which is using product rules, that is 4 into 5 is equal to 20 ways, okay, 4 into 5 which is equal to 20 ways. Then fourth subdivision, three persons, okay, enter into a conference hall in which there are 10 seats. Solution: total number of seats is equal to 10. Okay, here in how many ways they can take their seats? Okay, total number of person can be entered in a conference call. Totally 3 persons. Okay, 3 persons using 3 boxes. Okay, suppose the given question 4 persons means using 4 boxes. Person 1. Okay, first person. This is second person. Okay, this column is third person. The first person can take their seats. This is seat number 1, seat number 2, seat number 3, seat number 4, seat number 5, seat number 6, up to seat number 7, seat number 8, seat number 9 and seat number 10. Okay, the first person can take the seat is possible number of seats 1 to seat 10. Okay, here then the possible number of ways is 10. The second person can take the possible ways is only 9 seats because the first person can take any one seats. Okay, here the total number of possible ways is 9. Here the first person can take the seat 1. Assume that take the seat 1. Okay, here S22 up to S9. Okay, S10. The number of possible ways is 9. Here the second person assume take seat 2. Okay, take seat 2. Here the third person only possible to seat number 3 to seat number 10. Okay, totally 8 ways. Therefore total number of ways which is equal to 10 into 9 into 8, 720 ways. Okay, thank you. Next, question number 2, subdivision 2, given 4 flags of different colors. Okay, solution: given flags, total number of flags is equal to 4. Okay, of a different colors. Okay, 4 flags are in different colors. How many different signals means formed in one flag? Okay, that is different types of colors can be generated if each signal requires the use of 3 flags. Using 3 flags. Okay, out of 4, one below the other, it means 1 by 1. Okay, here listen. Okay, here this is the top. Assume this is the top order. This is middle order. Okay, this is the last one, that is lower order. Okay, lower. The top order placed in the 4 flags, isn't it? Yes, possible to 4 different types of flags. Okay, flag 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the possibles. Okay, here placed in the top is 4 ways. Okay, then the middle is Suppose here the top is placed in flag 1, then the remaining flags, then the possible is 2, 3, 4. Okay, only for 3 possible ways. Okay, suppose the middle order using to flag 2. Okay, here the possible is 3 and 4, totally 2 ways. Okay, totally 2 ways, that is 4 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24 ways of different signal using 4 flags. Okay, go to the third problems. 4 children are running a race. Okay, solution. Given 4 children are running a race. Okay, total number of children is equal to 4. Okay, in how many different ways could they finish the race? Okay, finish the race. How many different ways the students could finish the race in different ways? This is the first place. Okay, first place. This is second place. Okay, this is third place. This is fourth place. Okay, here given only for 4 children using 4 places. Okay, the first place can be possible person, that is children 1, children 2, children 3, children 4. Anyone can be finished the race, that is first place, then 4 ways. Okay, suppose children 1 can be placed in first positions. The second positions only possible to C2, that is children 2, children 3, children 4. Only possible ways 3 ways. Okay, suppose here the position 2 placed in children 2, the place 3, that is third place, the possible to only children 3 and children 4. Okay, then 2 vases. Okay, placed in third position. Then the last position, suppose C3 means children 3 placed in position 3, then the last only one persons C4, that is only one person placed in the fourth one. Then the total number of different ways, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 1 is equal to 24 ways. Okay, then next question number 4, count the number of 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3-digit numbers which can be formed from the digits using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. If the first subdivision repetitions of digits is allowed, it means using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 more than 1 times. Okay, that is the digits are allowed. Repetitions of digits is not allowed means using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 is only once. Okay, solution. Given the digits are given 2, 4, 6, 8 are the digits. Okay, we can form different types of 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers means using 3 boxes. This is unit place. Okay, this is 10th place. This is 100th place. Okay, here unit place, placing into the digits possible 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, the first subdivision is repetitions of digits is allowed, that is repetition. Second subdivision is without repetitions. Okay, the unit place can be placed in 4 digits, that is possible 4 vases, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that is 4 vases. Okay, repetition are allowed. Repetitions are allowed means the 10th places can be placed the digits 2, 4, 6 and 8, that is 4 ways, isn't it? Yes. The 100th place is 2, 4, 6, 8. Totally 4 possible vases. Repetitions means using the digits more than 1 times. 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64 ways. Okay, 64 ways. Then the second subdivision, without repetition. Here can be formed in different of 3-digit numbers. This is unit place, this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Okay, here the given digits are 2, 4, 6, 8. In the first place, that is unit place, placed in the digits are 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Only 4 vases, possible vases are 4. Assume the unit places placed in the digit is 8. Okay, placed in the digit is 8. Here go to the 10th places, the only possible 3 digits, that is 2, 4, 6, because we are calculating in without repetitions. Okay, here only possible vases are 1, 2, 3. Suppose the 10th place using placed in the digits is 6. Assume that placed in the digits is 6. Then go to the 100th place. Only 2 and 4 are 2 possible vases. Okay, 2 possible vases, that is 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24 vases, that is 24 different of 3 digits number can be formed. Okay,